Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to delete just the Gmail service from our Google account. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If we just want a Google account but don't want to use the services like Gmail, then we can simply delete it. Like we can replace it with another existing email address from Yahoo, Outlook, etc. This will not delete other Google services like Photos, Drive, etc. We can still use them using our Google account. To do this on our mobile, we have to take our smartphone and go to the Google app. Make sure the app is updated and we have selected our required Google account here. We can also open a web browser and go to google.com and do this, or we can open the Google app. Then select the profile pic icon at the top. Go to manage your Google account. Here we have to scroll down a bit and go to data and privacy. Here we have to go to the bottom and here we will have the delete Google service option. We just have to select that. We have to do the verification and here we can see the Gmail service. Do kindly note, this will completely remove the Gmail emails and other related stuff. We will lose our Gmail address here. We cannot get back the same address as well. So if we want to proceed further, we can select the trash bin icon next to Gmail and select that. We can also download a copy of the service to keep a backup. So we can select the trash bin icon now. So we have to enter the other email address. We have to connect our account with an existing email address. So I'll just use this Outlook email address, this one, and we can select send verification email. Okay, now we have to verify that account. We can open our Outlook email address, select this. So if you wish to permanently delete Gmail from your Google account, select this link. So please check again and select this. Okay, we have to read all this again and also make sure to download your data. And after that, confirm and delete Gmail. Delete Gmail. So that's all. You deleted Gmail from your Google account. Now we can use this Outlook email for your Google account. Now if we go back to the Google app, we have to do the verification. We can go back. Now if we select our profile pic icon, we can see we are using the Outlook email address for our Google account. That's all. And to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure that we have logged in using our required Google account. Then select the profile pic icon. Go to manage your Google account. Select data and privacy here. Now here we have to scroll down to the bottom and here we will have delete a Google service option. Select that. Do the account verification and here we can delete the Gmail service and follow the same steps we did for the mobile app. That's all. These are the steps to delete just the Gmail service from our Google account. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.